So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a slightly different video for you guys because I am posted up outside the takeover where tons of modified cars have descended on to the Isle of Wight, as you can just about see in the background there. I want to start today's video because we are going to be watching all of the cars coming in for the takeover. Now I have picked this spot today because there is a nice flow of traffic. We're coming from a national dual carriageway speed limit just in the background there, but as you can probably see just over there, there is in fact grass cuttings happening. Now interestingly enough, decided that Sunday morning at 7 o'clock, exactly when all of the cars are coming in, that they are going to in fact cut all of the grass on a Sunday at 7 o'clock. Now I am not saying this is a slight coincidence because it happened last year, and it isn't me saying that they've done it deliberately, but the dual carriageway, as you see behind me, is the only main road really up from the centre of the Isle of Wight to the takeover site that is just over there. As you see, first cars rolling in for the takeover there. Another one here. So yeah, it is slightly convenient that the one day of the year where the most amount of people that are probably going to enjoy coming up that dual carriageway, they're actually forcing the cars down a residential street which is this way and an industrial estate that is just the opposite side of the dual carriageway. But we're not a political channel, we're not going to say why that has happened. It just seems a little bit coincidental, doesn't it? But anyway, we're going to watch all of the modified cars coming into the takeover 2024. Let's see what we can spot. As we have the set of traffic lights right here, this is a perfect opportunity to see all of the cars coming in off of these routes, the residential route and the industrial estate coming up the other side. So this should be a very good vantage point to actually watch all of these cars coming in as they make their way into the takeover just up there. Huge convoys of cars. There is, what, 10 maybe Scirocco's there, all in a line. Interestingly enough, you'll see the amount of cars that are coming out of that industrial estate that have been told to go that way because of this dual carriageway closure. That industrial estate must be getting so much traffic at the moment, and I know full well that that traffic will be going through an absolute nightmare because the road is terrible. About it. He's on his way to the show to deliver the bread. Now we have a rather large pack of what look like Focuses, RSs, STs, first out the lights. Yeah, look at that, that's what you want. Nice car, mate. Lovely E36, probably nothing to do with the show. Oh no, maybe it is. Is this just standard E36? I think that was an automatic as well. Cheeky spot off the side there, look at that! I think this is funny how they put an old Fiat 500 on the new Fiat 500. All it shows is how big the new Fiat 500 is. Full sends from the transporter there. force to see. I'm so weird. Incredibly menacing. It's like a BMW estate. That looks sick at the lights. Loving the RC, that is such a me car. Look how lovely the E39 is over there with the wheels on it. We like cars like that, just subtle, simple, clean. That's what we want. Yeah, as you'll probably notice, the residential area just this way, this is where all the cars are being channeled, because of course the people that are coming to the show don't actually know there are two routes. Of course there has been posts about it from the Isle of Wight takeover, but saying your sat nav took you that way, you wouldn't know any different. The police, of course, out in force today to make sure none of these modified cars are doing anything naughty on the way to the takeover. A little Ferrari there, look at that! This little Mini sounds awesome. Another police car here. Behind the Supra, police are out in force today. Beautiful 106 GTI rear. What a little spot that is. Yes! Just coming up what looks like a stack of classic cars, so something for classic car fans, especially myself, coming up. Police coming back in again. Police here. We've got sirens over this way as well. Honda Goldwing. Well, looks like a Honda Goldwing. What a motorbike. Yep, we have the first bit of police action here. Blues and twos are on, going that way. Mrs. Policeman. Oh, another police car behind. Lots of police action as the classics start rolling in. Series 1 there, look at that. What a machine. Another police car coming just this way. Blues and twos on as well. Hopefully nothing too bad has happened. And a roof 10 on an E46. What a lad. The chirper tyres from the van there. There's something happening that way as all of the police cars seem to be making their way down Forest Road, which is this road. Escort Cabriolet with a turbo engine in it. Down there, it's quite a big one. That is so cool. I think that might be one of the first Panteras I have ever captured on film while car spotting. That's so cool. Oh, look at the VXR8. Absolutely love that. Anyone like to tell me, is that a jumbuck? I'm going to say it's a jumbuck. Yeah, it's a jumbuck. Oh, look at me. Look at the state of this. Oh, mate. Another VXR8, another VXR8, another one. You don't see men. Oh, GSI on. Must mean something very, very bad must have happened. Can only speculate, of course, as another ambulance comes down the same direction. Hopefully it's nothing bad. Yet another paramedic on its way that way. Of course, I don't like to make content, you know, with this sort of stuff on it, but this is what's coming past today. I hope it's nothing bad. Many orange focuses on their way down. Is that how you say more than one focus? Focuses. Focus. Yep, focus. Lovely Mustang. Look at that. On the back of it as a trailer. I think I can just about see it in the background there. Chitty chitty bang bang, of course. We actually shot that for the channel as another police car comes past. We actually shot that for the channel a few years ago. Good to see it out on a Sunday morning. Look at this. That's what you want. That is sick. And the E30 just squeezing through here. Absolutely just so cool. Yes. So, interestingly, update, critical care ambulance on its way back. So, hopefully, that's a good sign. Also, I'm loving the old Volvo. I know it's nothing to do with the show, but it's cool, isn't it? Look at the mint Volvo. Shout out to the old guy driving. He doesn't even know I'm filming him, but it's just a lovely thing. Absolute state of it. Look at that. Yes, that is a bit of me. Look at it. So there we have it, guys. Cars entering the takeover 2024. If you did like today's video, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't. We'll see you on the next one.